Barney, what do we got here today?
Well, Cupcake. This is a 1970 International 1300 4x4 brush truck. One previous fire district from brand new 1970 until a few months ago. We're in the outback here, so we'll start with a run through the gears in second. We could also demonstrate Granny, I guess first gear, aka Granny.
You can pull stumps with that.
You could. You can also pump and roll with this truck. It has an independent fire suppression system. Doesn't encumber the drivetrain with a PTO. So we could actually almost get out and walk this fast. We're on a paved road now. Yes, the hubs are locked out. Assisted drum brakes, 6 brand new tires, full instrumentation, dual fuel tanks, got lots of charging, oil pressure, temp's good, got a nice aftermarket vintage tack. Really fast, but keep in mind we've got almost 500 gallons of water on board. We'll have less after another pump demonstration. Stop here. You know, I forgot. We're going to demo the seat belts. This is a good place. I noticed that the original International seat belts they're really generous. Well, let me adjust it down to where it'll be useful. So as you can see, if you're on the thin side or the more plus side, the International will keep you safe.